In this video, I'll show you how to check subscriptions on Roku. Step 1 is to check on a Roku device. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Navigate to the channel subscribed or the channel store. Highlight the channel with the subscription but do not open it. Press the start button to open the options menu. Select Manage Subscription to see renewal date and subscription details. Step 2, check via the Roku website. On a computer or mobile, visit my.roku.com, sign in to your Roku account, then click Manage your subscriptions under Payments and Subscriptions. You will see a list of all active subscriptions with renewal dates and payment info. Step 3, Notes on subscription sources. Subscriptions bought outside of Roku, like Netflix or Disney Plus, won't appear here. Manage those subscriptions directly on their respective websites. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Set email reminders for subscription renewals on your Roku account page. Use the Roku mobile app to quickly access subscription info on the go. And contact Roku support for help with confusing or missing subscriptions. And that is how you check all your subscriptions on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.